I'm the branch owner over here in Florida, Julian Perez, and so we've been using Surefire for a little over 3 years now, and we've seen various components come out. So the compact door kit is a really nice product. If you have a tight spot, but you want to have everything enclosed and kind of have that really nice buttoned up clean install. Your enclosure up there is piped on over, and you got the other side of the radio on this side. So get it nice and clean, get it out of the way. I like the quality of the enclosure. I do like the back plate to be able to mount it on there, and I love the DIN rail terminal strips. That to me just makes it nice and clean. That's everything. Especially with us, we're so meticulous on how we wire things up and how it looks, especially when the customer opens something up for whatever reason. But overall, it's a plus on our end. I can't tell you how many times the client has been to a job site, or we've been to a job site. We've opened up, things are just falling out and things like that. That's something. It's something that a client won't give you repeat business on you're actually promoting your work whenever you do something like this. So if it looks like that all the time, and who cares if they don't see it? It's serviceable. That's very, very important. Is for someone to come out here and be able to tell what wires what from a trade standpoint and from a customer's perspective. You can't go wrong. This is the model that we pushed all the time because it saves a lot of time for the installers to not having to, all right, how should we lay this out? It's already done for you. All you have to do is just slap it up, land the wires on the terminals. It's gonna work every time the same amount of time. Now it makes it a lot easier to install. And then the commercial door kits is also one that you have 24 volt available to you. Yeah, we definitely use it. Again, the back plate is nice. The DIN rail, I can't say enough about that DIN rail. It just looks freaking sexy. I love it.
That's what we're going for. We're going for sexy.
Yeah, for applications like this, I always push the kits when you have real estate to mount things. So it really is versatile on what you can use the Surefire devices, all from the bare radios themselves to the various kits that they offer. And that's how we use them.